Okay. Hey, yo, welcome back to another episode of Soda Sessions Podcast. I am your co-host, GBV, the Easy. I have my co-host here in
Mr. Hexic on your screens.
Zooks_SK.
and today we have a very special guest today in Miss
It's Brownie.
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 Baby, just please.
I was just asking.
Yes, Chomi, so can you please explain to those who don't know who you are, where you're from, what you sell?
Hello guys, I'm Angelica, known as Brownie. Grew up in Joburg, then came this side, and yeah, man, I don't have much to say. I'm boring, guys.
When did you come this side?
2020.
How
Yeah.
old are you, Adam?
Pardon?
How old are you?
Hey, you don't ask a woman their age.
Why is that?
Because, women mature faster than men. So now, yeah, well, the age.
Nah, below age.
Serious!
Nah, below age.
Because I age, J. No, don't ask me my age, right? But I'm old enough. You should just know that.
How long have you been done with metric?
I finished my matric last year.
So you're not that old.
Yeah, I'm not that old, but I
Yeah.
can't reveal my age. I can't.
That's
Right.
cool. That's a video age.
It's ranging
My guess,
It's
I'm
ranging between.
So namhlanje sikhuluma ngani, brother? What is happening?
Hey, yeah, what is happening in this place?
Menzanda pesa coast.
Yo.
Yeah.
Menzanda pesa coast.
Yay!
Hey.
Like me a mask.
Nacinga uyamazi.
Mababakhiphe bonke baphume.
Ubani?
Hayi, asibazi.
Give us context. Yeah, asazi bhe.
Amazi nokhishwayo manje.
Give us context. Backstory.
Hi guys.
Ngeke ngizofuna
Nobody
No, we do.
Yeah,
Put
no,
like
no,
amagama. You see, you can't
Otherwise,
just
so
reveal
deep.
people's identities.
Oh,
man.
so you're protecting rapists?
I'm not protecting them. I'm not protecting them. Maybe.
Bakhiphe phela.
Kuthiwa labantu badumile la eSouth they are very, very well known.
Yeah.
Ayaziwa.
House parties and all.
Hey.
Bazibiza ngobani?
Ubani?
I don't know bazibiza ngobani.
The whole wish
Yeah,
gang.
OGs.
The whole wish gang.
Ah.
Azazi ama-OGs.
Yeah.
Abezibiza kami angazi if they still are the OGs right now.
So tenzani ama-OG?
Apparently.
For what wazi?
Hey, kuthiwa abedlwenguli bitch.
Abedlwenguli.
Hey, it's sad,
They
guys.
spike drinks and stuff. Hey, but hey.
Nah.
Yo,
They spike drinks.
I'm just glad that they speaking up.
Angithi they host. Ukuthi basa-hosta onye yabo. When they used to host, allegedly they used to spike girls' drinks, get them drunk, dog.
Yo,
And
that's
then-
evil.
That's crazy.
Weak ass man.
What record? I've heard that
Bro, what
also.
I was excited.
Oh, yeah, what I was excited is wild.
Yo,
Very true.
It's wild.
That's insane.
You can't mention that.
amagama,
No, you never come, but you can't mention that yet because lo muntu siyamazi. So,
Yeah.
it's a record.
What are you talking about?
Babi.
Everyone skip me. Everyone skip.
Nyamazi, uphaza. Alimazi uphaza.
Okay, oh shit. What happened?
So apparently there was this one time that was live on Instagram. They were live. Badlala ama-6 laphayana.
People know, they watched it.
Yeah, that's what-
A lot of
Instagram.
people,
Allegedly,
yes.
but see, they used to go live on my OGs and brag about who they smashed online.
And those groups,
Online.
those South Coast Exposure, Tontons, they used to
Apparently,
write
one of
those
them
created.
who's suspected in the OGs is the admin of the South Coast Expo.
Wait.
So he used to really about
Goningi.
Yeah.
He's getting Goningi.
Bro, he's
Yo.
getting Goningi. Nenzalo South Nenzalo
This place
South
is
Coast.
fucked
I
up.
understand they got the way I don't understand why would you do such a thing because like
They doing it
uqala
for
labantu
clout.
uyabaphuzisa
You don't
then
need to get a woman to her.
They doing it for
Talk to
clout.
her.
Because I'm spying.
Yeah, spiking is
Worst thing is
crazy.
spiking.
After that, we are record a 40.
What's the record for? Wow.
no wonder khona ama-60 wadabethu ngeke khumbula udabethu la video eyalecheyo dog itrenda kakhulu la it was like ngathi wayedle ama-drugs or something dog eyi yabo la video angiqala ngibona umuntu enje wey wenzekani
It was one of these parties.
yeah
Yo.
one of these parties dog
God damn.
angathi uyahlanya umuntu wabantu after that she went AWOL mfethu waduka manje usebuyile usengcono I don't know. And bethu enye into ukuthi bengayazi mina ngize ngayizwa ngojabula izolo igrouphini akhumbule imenshina lento yokuthi khona ivideo yakhe eshaya 6 tape ocabanga ukuthi ngaba ubani phakathi ngo-OGs eshaya 6 tape naye lapho ucabanga ulo wathi uspike ama-drinks dog
Lona magama amaningi. Lona magama amaningi.
Oh shit, that's crazy.
So lapho uyasola ubani ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe bangivise something because angiqali ngibone nje yabuya video.
She's a victim of those
Manje
parties.
wena ukugruphe nabo ukwazi ukubona mhlawumbe.
Nah, ngaze ngibone.
I was sorry.
Sorry, dog.
Something's up.
Nah, it wasn't like that at the party I went to at the time. It wasn't like that.
How was it?
You
How was
could
the
be a
ratio?
victim now.
Yeah?
You could be a victim.
Then I want to check out.
Just my 20s and you chocolate box.
I know.
Who knows?
Nothing
But
like
also,
that.
so
I want to watch it.
what was the ratio
Hi,
between the
guys.
guys and the girls at that park?
Much it abaningi lapho.
So I took first.
The age amantombazane.
Yeah, because back they used to call grade 8 and 9s.
God.
Oh, so
Hayi, at that time bakhona nje age group eras because
Same age group as them.
yeah, same and a little bit older babanye. Because abanye ontanga bethu labana. Lama OGs hayi bancane ngamsuku uyabona. So yeah.
So,
Nancane nawe. So when we attended a pass now, abancane.
Bawuningi ngoba.
Ah,
Come on.
ay whatever.
Come on.
So, out of all, who smashed? How many smashed?
I don't know, Bob. I don't know, dog. Nanje ngakizibuza lithi ngenye nenye nje. Ngiyazi. Yenza ngaphathi. Phindana ngabuza ngathi andiphathe ngalokho. So nje.
Wabona kambi or ukuthi awuphinde.
from
PTSD.
Khuluma.
Oh, namu SSB.
open up, don't judge you.
I was ngabona kambi. Ngabe ngabona ukuthi this thing of house parties.
Hey, vele yo.
Oh, what do you mean I better? Oh,
Then I went to one.
okay.
Of them, like the.
No, they were not. They did come, but they weren't like they.
It wasn't them who
Yeah,
hosting.
it wasn't them hosting. And Shishing Ahamba food.
Was it the one that happened up in 7?
Yes.
What's
Were you there? Did you come?
Oh,
Yo, mina ngihambile kwafika abantu abaningi. Hey, I didn't hear much about it, but they lied about me.
they hosted
It was Mzolo. Tando.
The night is it what?
They drank 40 shots.
Yes. It was his birthday. It was his birthday. So he was hosting a pool party. And yabo, it was very during the day. So I went. And then yeah, hey, missing Habik said me I was can I say things?
Yeah,
What
you
are you
can
gonna do? They said, yeah, I was busy sucking dick.
Whoa.
And I was like, when, how, where? Because I left early. I left the minute I saw the OGs coming. I
No,
The
this
rumors.
one, Wait.
Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
Man, okay, that it happened, Shampe, I walk. Were you drunk at that?
No, I didn't even drink. I ate muffins.
Space muffin.
I forgot to get I bought chicken and ham. So
You see your difference in Shasha.
I bought chicken and ham at like 5 o'clock. I was already on my way back home.
5 o'clock in the
We
morning.
go on.
You see, you had 2.
And we went in the pool.
4.
Was swimming.
You didn't suck anything.
Yeah.
Oh, still.
Bad clips.
Yeah, but I didn't pay attention to it because I know what nonsense,
Did you see anything incriminating?
Or he
Obviously.
anything.
Kuluma phela.
Okay.
Don't protect rapists.
So besifake ikhwama zethu le our clothes manje sesifuna ukuhamba manje ayikhiwe lapho siyaqoqoza hayibo kukhiyiwe we trying to open
Who has the keys?
the people inside because I wanted to leave earlier than 5 o'clock.
Who was inside?
Hey, nobody knows.
How did you get your things there?
We had to wait for them to go out.
Wait for who?
I don't know who. I didn't even see them. I was in the pool swimming.
We don't want to protect rapists.
Exposed
I
there.
don't
Oh,
protect
okay.
rapists.
Oh,
Like-
okay. Kubaleka.
Then yeah, guys, hey, that party. When I left, I heard things that happened. That day people were drunk and it was lalaring every corner. Tuyachika nje na baba bashaya ikhwikila. Tuyachika nje na baba bashaya ikhwikila. Hey, gek. Enza kahle ukuthi ngahamba.
House party.
House Party Chronicles.
Lapho bekhona nezingane lapho uyababona ukuthi laba nje abanye baze bathi I didn't tell my mom I'm coming here. Ayibo lapho umuntu uthi hayi ngizohamba ngobani bani because ngifuna the alcohol to wear off and I'm like yo.
Bad clips. Hey.
Did you know anyone else at the party? It could be girls, boys.
I knew like half of the people, but like I knew them from IG, not like some of them like it was the first time seeing them.
It could happen about first time seeing them, maybe I'm victims. Could you like mention them?
I don't know any victims, bro.
No!
Azange bangitshele next.
Phela, we want to give them a platform, a code on what's actually. This is what happens.
That is
A, B, C, and D.
Hayi angazi umuntu nje ngosami. Ngabe nginamanga.
Okay, sinikezela labo obaziyo yobe besephathini yabo sizibuzele thina.
How? Yo, I was with Abo, Lita, Zulu. And like I went with them because Slangane la, Checkers, sabe sakibela sahamba sonke.
Are those like your friends?
No, just know them, just chilling.
Bengekho ingane yakho wena lapho kulaa party like.
Hey, bafike sengihambile. Cabanga. Yeah.
Kanti yaqhuba whole night in
Hey. Mina ukuthi bengafuni nje.
Sometime baqhuba the whole
Hlala laphayana, then next thing, hey, things happen.
Things happen like what? So you're not lying.
No. Yeah, sure. Hey, bro. Yabona nje.
We are not like
Hey.
crazy.
Because bebengafuni ukuthi sihambe ngithi hayi siyahamba manje thina. Thiwa ayibona hambelani sithi
Cause Jonah.
siyavaya. Sake ngiphuze vele so at least. Because they gave us food. They gave us food kodwa hayi ngeke amaqasa bafethu la siyadla nje thina hey.
Exactly, it's a show.
That's the only thing they can talk about.
Nakhokha malini zamafimile.
My females didn't pay, only gents.
Free.
But befuna ukubona ama-bikini yabona nje uyabazi phela.
Now we go bikini?
Yes,
was
I'm not even gonna
swimming,
lie, I was
buddy.
swimming, bro.
She was swimming, buddy.
I don't know something. How much were the gents paying?
I go 100 rand.
Amajita.
Amatika.
Ha.
Because they already rich boys, you know. So they were just adding for kona amachita nje. But kona they can add and buy more alcohol.
Oh, they were rich boys.
Yeah.
Which boys are those?
I bought
I need
the
rich
party
friends.
birthday boy.
Whoa. Okay.
Yes.
Him
So
only.
they just
Him only.
Pella and his friends.
Who are his friends?
I think Salu was there as well.
What?
Salu.
Salu.
I'm not sure. Yeah.
Salu?
Salu.
Usalulewe.
I don't know. I don't know him, bruh.
What are you talking about?
No, abantu
So
bekhona
lost.
ephathini.
Abantu bebekhona ephathini.
Salu. I've heard of him.
Yeah, man.
Funde Westbury.
Almost boy.
Nah, but he's still in grade 11, I think.
Doesn't matter.
This year is grade 11.
Masamuda, what?
Hey, face.
This year is grade 11.
Yeah, I think so.
Can't you
Yeah,
when was
grade
this
11.
part?
It was. Which year is this? Oh, 2023. Yeah.
Should be like
October.
Was he there?
Hey, face. But you should not just be calling Ghani, you could just see that they're kids.
I'm a clean.
Yes.
15.
Hey, face.
Who was 50 years?
The rich
No,
boy.
Salu, brother.
Yeah, he hosted a party in a
No, Zolo. It was his birthday.
15. Okay.
Yes, he's the one that hosted the party.
He was 50.
I am guys get to that guy.
He was doing
I'm 15, ngibiza ama-grade 9. Nontanga mosilawo.
Nah. Even primary.
Yeah?
Grade 7. Lapha ingane ngathi ufuna grade 9 ngathi hayi.
She's
Jesus. Okay, what advice would you give young girls again? Being invited to parties.
Hey,
Because ingane are manipulators, I was saying.
but also these girls.
Just gonna have fun.
I was just gonna have fun.
Guys, don't go. Well, nothing happened to me, but don't go because we don't know if something might happen to you.
No,
Okay, but
Hey, it's not alright. It's not alright. I don't even remember what I was saying. Nah, but like guys, don't go, man. Got that some girls, if you try and tell them don't go, they think you're being that type.
gatekeeping.
So now, like if you're gonna go, be
Protect
careful.
yourself.
Hey, me, I always carry your scissors. You check.
How will that scissors help you intoxicated?
I go.
Yeah.
Step one time, yeah, the person is. It's fine. It's fine.
Ulele,
Hi.
utragiwe.
Yeah, you drink.
Out.
Hey,
Just guard your drink, bro.
I'm going to go to tell her.
don't even ask anyone.
Tell her.
Tell me,
God, you drinks at all costs, baba.
Futhi ungaphuzi nje in general. Yeah.
Manje khona iskill esenziwayo ukuthi into yovaliwe ungayiboni spike so bayajoba.
But you laugh fast.
Same niggas.
What?
No.
Usebenza kanjalo ngabe hayi bethu hayi.
Hayi ngabe phela bayaboshwa phela
Kumele
manje.
ngamaboshwe. Kodwa kanti namanje bethu hayi.
Hey, what's up?
Maybe.
Wait, no substance.
Phela sometimes they use eye drops. Eye drops they can get you.
Whiskey.
Yo,
Wait.
just 2 drops gone. Uzozwa umlomo wakho feeling dry. Then you're gone.
Damn.
That's crazy.
Hey guys.
Ah, dog, you're spiking drinks.
I shouldn't traffic.
Should mention part
Hey, it's my daddy.
Okay, senza njani, man?
But no. So meant, hi.
Team. They are like, let's go and what's it this one? I want you at my party. Some piggy
And
party.
apparently some are it boys. So the girls wanna go. They wanna
Rich
be
boys.
seen with them.
Is
So
that why you went when?
yeah.
Why did
Not
you go?
even.
Man?
Cause Umzola invited me there the year before and I made up an excuse. So like that year, like my parents went to Joburg for a week and they left me alone. And I asked them, can I go? And when I come back at that time, and I'm like, okay, fine. Then I went.
It was nice, eh? Did you enjoy it?
The food, yes. Yeah, but like I wasn't doing much. I was just swimming, you know. My name, Natasha, yeah, my friend was there, Natasha. manje ngiyohlala naye sihleke nje kancane sikhulume ukuthi kwenzakalani lana yabo babonile ubani ama-OG yabo sesho ukuthi okay
Oh no.
phile cool
Mention Lama OGs.
hayibo
Drop names, dog.
I don't know them.
Their first names. You don't have to mention surnames.
I don't know them.
But you said you never say.
Their faces.
Oh,
Yes, bangabantu because you know bebengena nge-entrance yabo bafuna vele bababheke bahamba ne-slow motion lapho ngabuyi ngithi the highest level bese they even have their own seat there. They're just watching everyone. They're just watching everyone. They talking, they comparing this one. They like, hey.
Analyzing
Who's
Because
this,
the
that.
in case they're plotting, so they're plotting. Oh Lord.
Kafe ngaphume emanzini Nkosi yami.
Shake and play. Your boys will serve my drinks. You're gonna serve them drinks.
Yes, I'm a celebrity. I'm even looking. I'm like, guys, what the hell? What the hell?
That's so cool.
I'm crazy. Like, I'm not going to just spike a drink. It's diabolical, dog. I
Never figure
So now
out.
you phone, you can't do
Fair to fight your addiction, Baba. Fight your addiction, yeah. Fight your addiction, exactly.
whole other level, but why?
What did you what did I J plus way in jail? It's what a local Jago calls you like so much as a cool. It's after 12 is large.
Yes, they used to. Yes.
Yes, even said that,
Yeah,
bro. That's why I was
once upon
shocked.
a time was like after 12 is large.
Even when
My brother, come tell us something, my brother. What do you do?
We distanced ourselves from like that. We cut him off.
Hey, my
We
brother.
don't
man.
condone such behavior.
We didn't know
We
it
didn't
was
know.
part of these activities.
But I think we should get him on the show. I will keep Habani.
To tell his side of the
No,
story.
not side of the story.
I will keep
the
Habani.
whole story.
The whole party story is okay.
apparently, guys, there's after 9's in Kamalaki. Hey,
Release names. Release names.
guys, and like people are saying that they're talking about it a lot, and I'm like, Aibo. And apparently, there's people that we know, and I'm like, Aibo. Umuntu
Do the
posting
after
job
nines
yakhe.
also experience this thing?
Nah. Phela they have girlfriends and everything during the day. But they pursue.
During the day.
Babona sebehambana nabanye abafana
After
ngemuva.
Shona phela mhlambe nawo amanye ama after 9 adrag amanye ama after 9.
Phela mhlambe the
What's going on?
the one that ish angazi ngayichaza kanjani. Maybe like the old ones, you know. But I don't know. I've never heard about spiking. Just only that they after 9's.
Name drop me.
Hayi.
First name.
Angibazi.
Nickname.
Bazi ukuthi I'm not good with names. If I can see you, ngasho ukuthi nangu yeah, yena lo kodwa imagama nje.
They're doing it on social media. Are they famous on social media?
Not like social media, but like people know them. Like for sure, ngihlangana nabo classified, yabo. Ubuze nabo and all that. That's why I don't go to classified. Classified,
things happen.
that's why I don't even wanna go there. Not even once. I always hear music because I live next to classified, but I'm just like, nah.
Shabuga vibe. Shabuga vibe. Wait, so what is it? Siyabazi abana South Coast. Like these after 9's, siyabazi abana South Coast.
Yeah, I shouldn't say.
So maybe those you know.
I don't know the names. Not laba abancane, laba abadala nje.
Oh shit.
Yabo. Laba nje abasebenzayo umuntu unemali kanti. Hey, I shame. Uyadliwa ngemuva ngeke. Like
I'm all over
I don't understand how do you allow that like
Told my picture.
grown ass man.
how
Grown as
how do
motherfucking
you even
man.
let that happen? And there was a guy on Facebook, he got a carrot stuck there, bro.
Aye.
Why you flinching?
Sis. Ah.
No, I'm starting video lapha esibhedlela ekhalani fix beyikhipha.
No, you went to
Guys.
Facebook.
Yes.
So carrot okay
Yes, carrot bro. Uthe uvele wahlala phezu kunamandla.
Aye, aye, watch out,
So crazy.
No, njengoba beyikhipha he's crying like he can just hear.
So I had to die.
Nah.
Spana silele kanje.
Hey guys,
But you
hey.
need to play my camera. Anyway.
Wait,
Anyazi this future.
wait. That's crazy.
Hi,
It's
bafethu.
an episode close. Hey.
Ukuhlala sawukhosi indaba nje ayazazi. Ngikuhlala la azithi. Hayi.
Mina ngasiza ukuthi I was friends with, like I knew people from Shapey. Yabo bafana bamanje bengifake emagroupini. Bekuphuma ama-safe siyawabona. Bafaka u-view ads kodwa. Kodwa that time we could screenshot view ads. So we used to screenshot.
Damn.
And then like
Why would you screenshot someone? So now
like we screenshotting and sending to other people, you know.
We both need it.
Yes, I was in the group.
Why the fuck would you share that?
Kanjani?
What if there was you?
No, but why would it be?
Just saying, hypothetically
Aye.
speaking.
That time I was still dizzy. So yeah, I was just
You
like
what?
dizzy.
Dumb.
Like
Oh.
still, you know, teetering.
But what if it was you, yeah, in that case?
I will.
Now you would want people to-
16.
I was, that's the thing.
Phela kwenza sense because number one ngiyaphuziswa spite kwale kamereni shaya video.
No, the ones that they sent the ones that they sent to group, it was, you could tell it was during the day as well.
It doesn't matter.
Cause like they were even the phone is like big ngayo. Iyabona ukuthi uyarecorda.
Intombazane
Like intombazana
ivumela-
fethu uvuma kanjani? Hayibo. Emazi ukuthi
So
unjani.
angeke nje uye the sex tape.
Hayibo.
Even with your husband.
Maybe with my husband, yes. Yes.
Weird thing, doesn't
You know, uploads and
What?
just bro.
Nah, don't do such. What? Why would I
Bese ngicabanga la.
Dem jama 60 mhlambe yabo bayisebenzisa lezi leverage mhlambe backspike
Leverage for what?
lale backspike uphuze bashaye video but if uyakhuluma you expose nice
I think that's
So now you rape me. So
Now-
your video there is only proof of it.
No,
You
we
did that.
no
Na amantombazana bebengakhulumi at the time, so I don't know ukuthi bebesebenzisa kanjani as leverage because bengazi iphume lezi zinto lezi. But ama-60 baphume.
yabo.
igate 60 iphume la ngazana 16 mina
Wena phela wayazi.
nazo ama 16
Hlala kwi-episode coast nje. Hlala kwi-episode coast.
Baba.
Even this one time, this guy angimazi nokumazi uyangitext and he's like, somebody paid me to expose your nudes, and I'm like, guy, but what shit you talking, bro?
You don't
And I'm
take
like, ay,
You've never.
but like, guys, please stop.
Okay.
But like, uthi uthatha isithombe sami on IG was screenshot uthi is this you? Ngithi yes. And then uthi send me 15k. Uthi send me 15k. Otherwise, I'll put your pictures. Ngithi hayibo. Uthi do you have parents? And I'm like, I lied and said nah, they passed away. Okay, but I do have siblings. Uthi, imagine your siblings seeing them. Ngathi hayiba aba post asibone. There you go. And then I'm like, I don't have money. Uti,
What
okay,
do
I
you
want
post
you.
Back my cost account.
Yes. Uti, okay, if you don't have money, I want you to be mine. I'm on Uti, wow. Guys, the DMs I get, Why is on how much are your hookup rates? Like guys, do I look like do I look like I do that? Like this one time in Kamalake, like I was walking going to the shop, a car stops and he's like, hello, I'm like, hello, he has release again, and he's like, do you do so? That's very high
cocaine.
One goes, do you do cocaine? I'm like, Hybo, no. And then he takes out a bag and he's like, and then he takes out a stack of money and he's like, come with me, I'll buy you whatever you want. I'm like, I'm like, no, thank you, booty. Yo, and you can tell he's high. He's high. Also, I keep you visit. So I try that. Don't traumatize and hey, bo.
Come inside.
It's you. It's my mom.
What do you want?
I'll buy whatever you want.
Which phone color do you want?
One photo.
Crazy.
Yes, men, they're so disgusting. Oh, hi.
So far,
Hey, no, it's the older ones. You see the older ones, Jay. I don't know. They want to feel young. I don't know, bro. Like, yo.
Because I don't know my baby, my friend.
Hey, together.
Because I'm tired, my friend.
Yes.
I'm going to cause it tobacco, cause we teach, cause it Even at school.
Teachers.
Yes. This year, MMS Patoitoid.
Oh yeah, I remember. For what?
Mr. What did you do? Yeah, nah. What?
What did he
So
say?
What he did? Like, apparently, like, he was texting about ingane lapha esikolweni ababizela e-office. Ingakho bengisaba nje le-office leyana nje. Ngafuni nokuya lapha e-library. Ngisi nje
To win that office.
avela kubize mhlawumbe akuthume. Like, why do you have a student's number, bro? I don't understand.
Was it girls? It's got cool.
Yes, it's more, apparently you used to also do boys.
I won't tell.
And then, guys, serious. Guys, hey. I still wanna say stuff, but I'm just gonna keep quiet.
Nah,
I feel like we don't do it because like.
I'm keeper, but I saw him. Yeah, I saw him in Kamalaki one morning. It's Haibo. Don't tell me Fundisa Lab.
Wait, is there a student that he essayed? Sexual assaulted?
Angas. Hey, Uti got to send my message. Uti, I was head girl, so there was a time when.
Wait, now?
Yes, last year. They go chairperson, president. No, you see, last year, bro, school was like, yo, MMS changed last year. Because 2023 pass rate was 60 something, yo. Then last year, I knew, well, 92 something. The principal, hey.
No, I passed.
It's in right now. I'm just asking you. It's gone.
It's gone and now it's gone. That's what I'm. When you're
Oh wow.
My office.
Eighth grade, you're not gonna 2023.
Yo, and 2023, yeah, 2023, yeah, yo. Hey, that year was hectic.
98.
Very school. Hey. Very school. Pass rate in J.
Come on.
Kodwa abafana balapha. Yes,
Only a few. Kuroma goes the boy. Every school has its few bad apples, what food. This is the team.
Hey, 2023 dog, MMS was
Hi, Bo.
dog.
Nakhumbula first on 420 kwafika amaphoyisa. Bathatha intombi yonke. Bafika on 420. Don't you remember? Utawa. Utawa afike ekuseni ethi Tanya 200. Bafika amaphoyisa.
Later that day.
Tina, a class in the Afrikaans, you remember we used to go to like a lab for Afrikaans. So Miss Charlie locked us in that class. Can't my classmates had weed. Ukaba kuthi sobaleka mhlawumbe soyifika and amaphoyisa azange afike lapha eklasini. Yo, that day people were so sad. They were busy posting about it. That's why I didn't post. Bafika amaphoyisa ekuseni. But nobody expected it.
When's that?
Oh boy, I know it was fun. I compose with Shani. We'll see what happens.
Checking the vibes. Checking the vibes.
Yeah,
Out of all places, get something new.
Are you guilty? Are you crazy?
you're not guilty, but you
What before to your vibe? Come to the crane.
Let me check the vibe here. I'm with Tata's and I'm just jumping backwards. Bring it. Bring it on. MMS needs scandals, bro. Needs scandals.
Hayi yabo kube kwabangcono last year kufika lo principal selombuso yo. Kodwa nje lo yababa.
So ngizikwa ekho.
Unalo nje yena. Lona lo gwekwa there. You used to want me, bro.
Wait.
Principal.
Principal.
Like I even have messages here.
I do.
We're exposing people.
Why are we exposing? No.
Yep.
Yo!
Last time we were figuring a class scene, like it was during moderation.
No, I know you can't get.
No. I got picked before he came. I got picked before he came. I was nominated by the RCLs. And they voted for me. Because it was me and Latoya.
Which one now?
Kokwana. No.
Wow.
I think. Yeah. Why? But you know her. No, not Basi.
Which one?
The one around you, boy.
From around here. Yeah, like it was me and her, then I was picked and she was deputy chair. Yeah. Yes. But I used to do most of the work. I used to go to the meetings most of the time with Ma'am Rahim.
When will baby time?
I go. No. Never. Nah. Matric, bro, I was on delay. Like, nothing.
But
they
before
never
matric.
read. I was even with them saw me back on you. Yo. What's this? Nina, for sale. Hey. Lapho washo ukuthi uzongibhaqa because bangibuza eclassini ukuthi khala ke yaphem. No. That's why I was because I used to sit in the front and he was like, so Bamba, give me 2 weeks. Hey, one Bamba. Hi.
Mas vou ver this message. Como assim?
O principal, let's show you president and you Facebook.
Hey, bro. And WhatsApp. But like WhatsApp, it was mostly because like he used to send me documents
is wild,
for
dog.
SGB things.
Okay, read them out loud.
Facebook is
Bro,
wild.
Don't
I ain't
say what I
reading
say.
anything out loud, bro. Like, yeah.
Okay, read his type.
Facebook is wild, bro.
Not your reply.
Look, hey, the dog.
Hey,
You. Very request.
I feel classy, Nuti. It's independent brown. And I'm like, oh, okay.
Independent brown.
Independent brown.
Oh, this one, name. Code name.
I very say I'm tired of brown. So I guess I'm full of it. And the whole class now they looking at me, but yeah, when Angelica and Jane, I'm
Nala no
like,
principal.
yo.
Nala no
That's
principal.
Nah, they never said that.
Manja ukaze zange.
Hi.
Zange.
Read the messages, pen.
Ima, I pressed the wrong thing.
Hey,
Guys.
Isifonse ifundele.
Hey.
don't reach bait. Quite a house.
Ezingaga.
Wait.
That's how I'm fooling about.
For
Yeah.
Don't mention names.
oh, wow, right, have a more.
Principal,
The private story of my life.
But it's an old thing.
What a private story?
Yeah, I think so. So
Yeah.
thank you. So I'm here, Kamalaki.
Oh, yes, it's like Kamalaki.
Open a private store. Oh, yes.
Giti, I wasn't in Kamalaki. And
Sorry,
then,
voice note.
I'm like, Uti, wakulphala. Uti ngikhuluphalile mfethu ujwayela kabi. Ngathi ngisacela nje bafethu. Uthi ngamithi.
Sakhulumisa if uke waqala.
Click me.
So please, you was what doing? So proud. Kori Kamalaki to Durban. So you are missed. Wow.
I know.
Wabona this year ne. Ngihamba lapha Checkers. Ha, confused, yes. And I'm trying to push him. I'm like, Kaibo, I'm so confused. What is happening? What's happening? Right? Like, yo, what's wrong with you?
Let's go.
Shady.
Oh, the cachet. So Kamalaki.
Shady, full ungibona face.
I was saying.
I would just
Principal. Wait, is he still the principal?
No, waphuma lapha MMS. He was just there for the whole year. Then he left.
Hayi. Ngiyazenza izinto guys. Amadoda. Hey.
Makaze point you were there.
Hayi angifuni umqala.
Maybe told you were left from Strange.
Stranger.
Yes.
How much?
Hey, what's hey yo?
Okay, range between.
What's phela bastingy laba? He's stingy too much.
How
But
much?
like how much? Did you
You went
put?
association, bro.
I think it was 800.
You stingy, no?
Like uhlala ngasekhaya in his marriage. I know his kids and his wife.
Kids is wine.
So there's 1,000 manje or keep if you come with me. I'm like, nigga, no, bro. No, bruh.
So you 10 down 1,000.
Ay, bo.
Magi, this trade. Let's wallet.
Ay, bo. Phela angithi ukuthi even ngifuna ama meet up and now I'm lying with hey I didn't do my hair.
So,
Where?
He was willing to pay for.
Wanginikeza ngona block I mean.
you.
Oh,
Hi, boy.
God. Oh,
That's punching air.
oh, no.
Nah, guys.
Block
like,
so he pays him money.
don't come to me thinking that you're gonna come show off with your money here and think, ooh, I'm gonna go crazy. Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
Acting humble.
I am.
You see, the thing with money, there's a certain amount which breaks a person.
Everything is a price.
He came with 800 rand, he got blocked. If he came with 8K, we could be speaking something different. Everyone has a everyone has a price. When the right amount is on the table, everything folds.
Bro.
I'm trying to
Go
yeah,
for
for
my
my crazy amount. Let's say 5K.
I 100K.
8.
Listen. I'm not saying I wouldn't. I'm saying for the right amount.
There's any balls, bro. Like, come on, bro.
I make sure someone say that's it, bro.
Nah, they old, J.
So I get call notes for
Bakona.
money. And they offer money.
Yes.
How much do they offer?
500.
For what? For viewers?
What offers tea?
Not once, but like a picture. And I'm like, no, bruh. Hey.
And you're still
Why
broke.
not on
And you're
internet?
still broke.
Hey, you know, baba ngithandayo nje, so like
Madonna, you could download internet to every mood.
AI works different in these days.
What over Nenzanjani?
It's those old ones, abashadile, their wives they don't
They want young and fresh.
Yes.
Then
Because they want to be showing you off to their friends and all those things.
you.
There's a lot of
The
married
problem-
men, yo.
Nah, dog.
Yo.
No.
Yabona loyo.
Oh shit.
Ex, though.
Wait.
Yeah, bro.
Is your ex?
Yeah. When I first came here, he was my first boyfriend.
You gave him.
No. Not even.
Hey, baby.
Sure.
Yes. Can't
Give me
even
a
ask him. No.
Nothing sexual.
Nothing.
After 12 is
No
like.
kissing.
Only kissing out, obviously.
And some heels, yeah.
Nah. Bro, that time I was still.
Gag.
I'm a brother.
So you still a virgin?
Guy, you're not putting the allegations.
Yes.
I want
I
to.
but don't ask me that
I
question.
want to drop this technique. I want to boy. I'm machine.
Bad clips, bro.
Machine.
Ay, machine dawa yake. Wait, nenzani sakos.
Ikikuspathule besinabo bathule. Ay bathule.
Wena wakhuluma
Kodwa nami singathola naye esikole mina for grade 9.
After 12 is last.
Yo. Money you get, yo.
And I got that guy, it didn't last though.
That's
It happened, dude.
Yeah, it
Finally it
did.
happened. You.
My sister has another statement sarcasm is right now.
Bitch.
After 12 is lunch. Nigga was
I
serious.
thought it was a joke.
Bro.
Yo, wait.
And then this girl got the foodest Mitchell and I. Do y'all know her?
Yeah.
Yes. Hi.
Cool.
And they were from grade 9. Do you remember Mitchell last year? How old?
Yeah.
Last year, bro.
Shit. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Wait, let me show you.
Okay, so your teacher is.
Oh.
He doesn't do
Wait,
it.
something's talking. That's
Bad clips.
Baba Bosch. Oh no.
Hey, guys.
The OGs are not OG.
The one that they were supposed to, she was in grade 9 and last year, Unangaki.
I think that 2019.
2020.
2020, yeah. Yo, guys, no, man.
Means I'm not best of course. Ay.
Uningi, bro.
getting
Like a lot.
here.
Bro.
Aibo. Hey, I was to go to your mass. To go to your mass. Only to find out.
Hayi kodwa
In
vele.
the top 5 repost here, Emma repeats.
Yo. I did.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Allegedly.
Please, now, boy.
Top 5. Got top 5.
What is it, top 5?
Wait,
Let me see.
so our top 5 is coming.
Yeah.
Then,
Sakisha Magatu.
That's the number 1.
Pole 3 kusign.
Number 1?
It's him.
Say it, bro.
Say
I don't know the second name.
Just say the name, bro.
Standing on business.
So I don't know him.
Oh, no.
Okay, siyamazi vele lo.
Wait, Clinton.
Then drop the
Wait.
names. Drop the names.
Buka face.
Nanga magama abhaliwe nje.
Yeah.
So it's
Eh,
Clinton.
Clinton.
Posted.
It's
Posted. Banjo.
Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Yo.
Oh no. Father,
Makai. Oh,
Naye vele. Yabo, I told y'all.
Tiwa.
I told y'all.
12 Zenda stories.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Oh, nah.
Woo.
Oh, nah. So much for thinking
Hey,
you are the shit, but you
small
are the
world.
shit.
It's not even the fault.
Thinking you are the shit, but you are the shit.
Until
right
my
now.
kids had to Mazana, Joe. Until my.
Imagine, bro. Imagine, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Ain't no way.
Must be. Ain't no way.
Ain't no way,
Ain't no
bro.
fucking way.
And she didn't like me as.
As a pet of fun.
She didn't like me.
What?
She saw competition.
No, because I was dating someone and it was serious. And then when we broke up, why again? And she was still posting him. Oh, my face and password. Go because
Hey, bit a lot, eh?
no, but like, hey, then like she used to say she doesn't like me, but I don't know.
Hey.
English, I don't know. I actually don't know.
Happy the pillar. Yeah, shoot. Izinto nazi manje.
Wisile makhaya.
Because hey,
Oh, nah. I gay.
Yo,
Exactly. So cool.
Come with me, wait, you're humble or poor.
bebejola njengoba bekuyiphathi kamzolo bebejola vele. Bebejola, I remember.
Shade simple.
Oh, I'm so shy with my new
Yangani.
No, man.
Yo. Nenzani South Coast. As a matter of fact, disappointed on South Coast.
She's
Ah,
15.
shit, I'm a abantu thina baye.
She's 15.
How old is the guy?
Hayi, unangakhi?
Baba yisho age.
23.
Yo.
Going for 15 years.
Hayi ngeke baba.
Wasedla uphuthu phela lapho.
Wambonisa seprimary.
How else they built it?
Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Ngishubile kusazoba west njengoba kuzoshaya uDisemba manje.
Yo, uphuma fire.
After fires.
And abazamanje.
Babazile.
So we can say ha. Nawe. Nawe.
How?
Makhiphe bonke bra ngiyazali.
Ain't no way.
Oh, I don't believe in that.
Chicken at dark, I believe, but I just believe it's why. Go ahead.
Abasicimi yadlala thina.
Oh, after 12 is large.
Yadlala ukhona abantu.
Iphendulile enye victim yabo mama.
Kaze serious bro.
And the victim.
Funda Thembi.
Safa ufunda.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Ubuyele ngobani contest.
Hayi, thiwa nidagi angazi ngadlungula mina. Ngajona
Doesn't do shall be revealed tonight.
Hey, yeah, tonight Aslani.
What's happening tonight?
Aslani tonight.
Nah. Oh, nah.
I would say.
I'm a keep man.
Okay, but Kateli born.
It's in the clash.
It does.
So it's overtime.
Hey. Of course I'm not told that. And call this guy.
Hey.
Always. Try.
It's the same people.
So good tonight. My fight, man. I'm saying you're good, man.
Hey, I'm a fight too.
Mr. Fight,
My fight. Just in a way.
Hey, kumbula there's MMS last year.
Last year.
Hey,
Second about 2019, man.
yeah, 2019.
Problem.
No, the one year last year it was over something so stupid.
What was it?
Like, but let's see, like, they were accusing Ulokuza for that. Ulala nengane yamsele Brian. Like, we all know that's not true. And I'm like,
Bro, you heard the mic when you know me actually so.
But like they were lying. They were lying though, like it wasn't true, and like they were fighting you. And I'm trying to stop people from hitting each other. I'm the head girl, bro. Oh, Tisha. Mr. Nika, bro.
Nah, Mr. Nika, man. Nonchalant guy. Good involved himself. Nonchalant teacher.
There was this year where people were kulegaring in MMS.
Space.
I think it was the other year. When you were
2021?
Yeah. Like, twas what I call this school.
yeah, I too.
Twas what I call this school.
I'm headed down.
Bro.
Let's get it out.
When I love this school that night, it's like grade 10. Manje, let's face it, shh. But it's not shh. Manje, baba ngumsindo samukufunda. Hayi savisasho. Abona ngamatafula seyewaphansi. No, everyone is running away. I'm so confused with why is everyone running away? Hayi umuntu, she's saying, I'm like, hey, ngizohlalela la. Ngisiqhubekele ngisibhalele la. Angeke ngisukume ngibaleke.
Pause. Usizoyikhatha khulu.
Hayi.
Usizoyikhatha bro. Hey man. Ukhona nje makegezi ukhona.
Hayi bo.
Huh?
Why? Let's uzokhatha. Uzokhatha.
What's going on?
It's a video.
What?
Post over.
I'm with the detective David Munama. You're speaking to Detective Jay Utelezi. Right now as I'm speaking to you, I'm on my way to Pretoria. You understand? To pick up a boy. I believe he's your son. We are going to arrest him for a rape case where it's happening in Centre.
Who posted that?
The fuck? Go heavy, man.
My boy behind bars.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm with
Who
the
posted
detective
that?
David Munama.
He's cool.
Oh, he's good. Oh, but he's cool.
Jay Utelezi.
Yo, that's how you have more friends.
It's hard, yo.
That's how you eat that. You don't eat it. Shit.
Yo.
It's about to go down.
My brother, you're cold.
It's about to go
This shit is on
down.
public. I think we should talk about it. I think we can talk about it. It's on public. Anyways.
Yeah.
You know, bro. It's crazy.
Guys. Yo.
So context to our viewers.
Ibla.
Video again.
I was just talking. This is the last Sunday program. Let's start going.
Yo.
Somewhere.
And abafonela ubaba wakhe ke.
I just think your son.
Your son, bro. Your son for rape. Yo. Overseas, man, they do go overseas.
Flee the country.
Just go to the car.
Oh, they rape. I'm just a death penalty.
Here's the video.
It's context, bro. So there's a poster here. I have been silent for months because I was ashamed and afraid, but the silence is killing me. On the night I was intoxicated and unconscious. Velo Kuluse. Great me. Oh, Kuluse. Great me. He later acknowledged what happened, but then began telling his friend that we had sex and humiliating me, making me look crazy for calling it what it was, rape. Meanwhile, I have been trying to repeat myself. I have been suicidal. I have been in the hospital. I lost part of myself I cannot get back, and yet I still have not spoken publicly because all I want is justice, not more pain. His friends and family been protecting him and painting me as someone who lies about sexual assault, and I have said nothing for months because I wanted this handled legally and respectfully, but the case cannot move forward because we don't have the name of his school in Pretoria, and I'm asking please if you know where Velo Koluse currently studies or stayed in Pretoria, privately send any information or leads to. Damn! Nah, Velo boy, you could. Yeah, you could.
Yo, why prison?
I mean, it's only 19 or 20, bro.
Fun, my fools.
All for what? All for fame. You just want to be known.
My God, that man will always make a way.
Bro, there's no way he...
Nah, there's no way out of this, boy.
I don't think there's any way.
Sexual assault.
Evidence.
And there's evidence of him admitting.
Oh, how many years is that? 5?
Hey, 5.
I don't know, 5 or 8.
You say it was easy.
Either or.
Life, nah.
Yeah, my shit. What's the answer? Who
I plus me tungelele yena.
About more support.
That's all.
Yo, boy. So when we did.
Baby things. Baby things.
Yo, man, so like, I want
Baby
pretty boy. So yeah, and you my pretty boy. So we are saying gangs. I think. So about a tattoo.
Put it in out.
But hey, system yala eMzansi yabo bekufika court ngathi as far as we prove that there's no enough proof to arrest him. Listen,
I mean,
I should but the court can say this court can't arrest him because there's no enough evidence.
but in this case, for me, he was aware of that.
And he's sorry, and he's gonna take
And there's a
accountability.
screenshot.
Akumkhulume sengisho inkantolo. Yabo.
I think yeah, she couldn't get evidence. There is evidence. Bengizozwe kuthiwa i-screenshot besingekho.
And the detective asuka apha ePretoria eMlanda.
No, they from Joburg because she's currently in Joburg.
Oh shit.
Look who's.
But angiyasistima la eMzansi. Ngale evidence yonke le. Okay. No, angazi yake.
Yes, she's from here.
Ngenza intombazane vele ulento lomchita. Ahambe free. Aniyasistima ngathi fucked up kanjani.
It is shame.
Ahambe free. Mehamba free akabuka umchita akubophe thina so yes pretty ini.
Ayo into public leyo. Thina sifunde i-screenshot esisibone ku-story somuntu. So we are spreading awareness.
Yes.
We are spreading
We are
awareness
spreading
in the platform.
What's the charge?
What's the charge?
Yeah,
Your favorite one. Your favorite one. Defamation of character.
defamation.
Hey, remember that song?
But they have defamation. I should say, I'm busy on the
I say very public.
Listen, I'm busy on the I'm trying to social or spread in that. But I'm busy on the but it calls it tank and
Oxala. We say allegedly.
And I still say
Allegedly, now walk is a food the chuo. Allegedly, you all kindle allegedly. And until proven.
Yo.
how do you think the pro is right now, dog?
Yo.
Showcase is shaky.
Suicide.
Straight.
Siwaphela ukujida phezulu uzowacisha ngefonto athola kanhlobo.
And they were going to trend a manje for that rose thing.
No.
Bemvuma manje amajita manje sinasike.
Oh, nah. Yes, no, got you a perpetrator, motherfucker.
Yazi betrend a manje.
Yamazo lo. Wafuna amazula.
Ufuna na maspike. Hey. Bad cake shake. You cook, buddy. You cook.
That's shallow.
Hey.
On that note, guys, thank you.
Let's end the show.
Yeah, you should say, they mustn't rape, mustn't spike.
Yes, guys, yo.
Not the culture, you win. Iphela.
My parents catch a weed on my
A no is a no, guys.
Leyo usiphuze ngaso marinating your meat. Iphela.
I get better.
You don't have to get a mommy drunk.
Even expecting them to sleep with you ngoba naku ngithekela utshwala manje hayi.
Wena uzolala nami.
Sayibhala manje.
Yeah, John Luke.
Ngibala manje.
What's the matter?
Isho mfethu sesama house take up the door. Accountability is lovers.
You should play with him.
Yeah.
You on the cam. Talk.
Yeah, it's lovers. We take it's lovers. We take accountability. There's a city. Isizwe sifa and then we stick a salt as a matches. Ungalati stick lapha ngivuthe wonke. So we like thina namadoda. Thina nina khuluma nani phela. We should organize a march like South Coast.
Yeah, it's gonna be happening.
No.
Oh, I think it's on the 21st, since the thingy is on the 21st.
It's cool.
All black.
All black.
All black like South Coast.
Eventually we're gonna wear all black.
We don't sound purple.
Hela, that's the profile picture and all those things.
It's their back out there.
Oh, see a picture.
Hey, I
I
got
already
it.
know, like,
They haven't
supposed to
decided. They haven't decided as yet. They still like planning. Because Vashino Guti, like, I don't know who, but I a number if you wanna. Yeah.
They should. Sunday sessions on the squad.
We'll be within.
You know, thank you guys. Bye.
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 See you, friend.
Oh.
Yeah.